What is up, Fence Fam, and welcome back to the series where we're talking about fence tools that you can find on ozfence.store. In the last video that you can find somewhere up here, we talked about banana clips. What are they? How can you use them? How many do you need? But banana clips are great if you can work the outside of the fence. What happens if you can't work the outside of the fence? You can only work from the inside of the fence. Think steep fall off here. We're working on, I don't know, a dam or a levee or something like that. Well, enter the pumpkin claw. The great thing about the pumpkin claw is, like I said, you can work from the opposite side of the fence. Simply grab your chain link. You would grab it with this end with your chain link going in this notch. Rest it on the top rail. Now, there's two schools of thought here. One, it does have a clip here to where you can clip it in the chain link to keep it from kicking back. Now, I don't know. I've never had it kick back on me, but I assume that it possibly could. So that option is here. Now, just like the banana clips, we would use 2 of these per 10-foot section, with one of them being towards the first line post or terminal, and the second one being about 2/3 the way down the fence. Alright guys, one feature I like a lot with Company Cam is they give you a map that has pins for all your projects. I've got a customer that wants to see cedar, pre-stain, walnut fences that we've done recently to get an idea how they look. I pulled up the map icon on my Company Cam project folder, and it's going to show me all of them, but it only shows 50 at a time. So this is 50 of the 420. But because we had the labels that I showed you guys last time, I know there's a label for pre-stained walnut, and it'll show me all the projects that are pre-stained walnut. I can simply click them. I can grab the address and send that to him, or I can download a few photos as a montage, send those to him as well. Company Cam is great for contractors because it makes my job and your job a whole lot easier. Now, the one thing about the pumpkin claw is it won't let the fence slide as freely as that banana clip will because it's clipped in, but you will still get some movement out of the fabric. It will still slide on the top rail while keeping itself safely clipped in, safely retained. So if you can only work from the inside of a fence, but your fabric needs to go on the outside, a pumpkin claw is likely going to be a great choice for your project. Again, pumpkin claws can be found online, shameless plug, ozfence.store. For this tool and many others, check us out. Let me know what you think.